How do we clean glass plates efficiently? Glass washer. Clean glass is an essential prerequisite for high-quality insulating glass production. The Glaston glass washer is designed for both insulating glass and solar glass application. It uses demineralized water without chemical additives and features a new energy-saving drying zone inside a stainless steel housing. External chainless brush and transport drives allow free access to all components, and the brush bearings are water protected and maintenance free. No manual adjustment is needed because of the automatic parallel guided brush and transport shafts self-adjust to each glass plate. Glasses from 3 mm to 45 mm and optional up to 60 mm are handled with ease. 4 individual brush drive pairs work together with the synchronous drive of the vertical shaft and slip and distortion-free transport. Optimum cleaning results are achieved by alternating brush rotation directions, separated washing and rinsing zones, stepless adjustment of the transport speed. Available upgrade kits include contact-free coating detection and the brush speed control, both particularly useful for coated glass. In short, with intelligent drives, coating protection, and excellent drying performance, Glass Washer provides top-quality glass plate cleaning that is also energy efficient and environmentally friendly.